So we're with Radar, and we're going to look now. We're down to Passbook. And Passbook simply is a place where you store your social media passwords. Now, it might be that your social media team, you don't want them to have access to all of your passwords, but you might want them to have access to the social media accounts. Or maybe it's just a place where and what you do is you set up a master password for this. So it might be that just you keeps the master password and you just store all of your social media passwords. Because we know there's Google that stores your passwords, but it's a pain finding them, isn't it? So say you've got 10 social media accounts and it takes half an hour to put all of your passwords for your social media in the Passbook. They are there in one place where you can always find them and you can archive them and save them. So if you want to add a new password, you can put, and I'm not going to put mine in now, this is going to be a really tricky video to do, Facebook password. And you put add, and it will ask you for the email address you use for Facebook. I've got a couple actually. Your actual password, the website where you access, it could be your page or whatever you want to put down there, but you probably don't need the Facebook URL, but you see what I mean, you could put it in there. And you can write a note, so you could say, this is the password for the something account, this is the password for another account. If you manage multiple accounts, so this is possibly where this really comes into play, if you are a social media company and you manage multiple companies' passwords, you could rename that. Hang on. So you want to add another one. So say you were looking after a company, you could say, Smith's Sports Facebook. And you would have the password in there. So that, because obviously I'm guessing what's happened at Smith's, but they will be using the page for some stuff. And it might well be logged out when you come and try and log in again, so you can just jump on there and you can find the password. So it's just a little extra that's there with Radar, that you can add all of your social media passwords. And if you work for a company that manages other social medias for other companies, you can store all of their passwords in the Passbook. And that's a short video, but that's basically what it does.